In the market for video hosting platforms, AI systems are no longer acting like neutral directories. They are building shortlists. That matters because buyers are not always clicking through 10 blue links anymore. They are asking an AI assistant which platform to choose, what the differences are, and which option fits their use case. The answer they receive can quietly shape the entire buying journey. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, a growth strategist and AI discovery analyst. At LLM Authority Index, we study how AI systems shape commercial discovery, especially in high-intent categories where recommendation positioning can directly influence revenue. The August 2026 video hosting benchmark shows a clear pattern. AI platforms are consolidating buyer choice around a small set of recommended brands. Traditional search rewarded visibility. If a company could rank, advertise, earn review coverage, and create enough content, it could capture attention. AI discovery works differently. These systems retrieve information from public sources, compare brands against each other, and then compress that evidence into a few recommendations. So the commercial issue is not whether a brand appears somewhere in an answer. The issue is whether that brand is advanced as a credible choice when the buyer is actively deciding. In this benchmark, Vimeo is the clear leader. It appears in 92.2% of AI responses and converts 65.4% of observations into valid recommendations. More importantly, it has a 22.9% rank 1 rate. That means AI systems are not simply recognizing the brand, they are often placing it first. The modeled monthly AI authority value for Vimeo is $115,227, which is the highest in the category and nearly 3 times the closest competitor. Wistia is the strongest challenger. It appears less often overall, but when AI systems recommend it, they tend to place it high. Wistia converts 37.9% of observations into valid recommendations, holds a 23.2% top 3 rate, and has an average recommended rank of 2.41. That is a strong challenger pattern. Less total presence than the leader, but meaningful recommendation quality. The most useful lesson for executives is in the middle of the market. Brightcove appears in 40.9% of AI responses, which sounds strong, but it converts only 31.7% into valid recommendations with a 12.1% top 3 rate and an average recommended rank of 3.17. That gap matters. It suggests the brand is known by AI systems but less consistently advanced as a top choice. Vidyard, Kaltura, and Dacast show similar patterns. They have meaningful presence yet weaker recommendation conversion. They are appearing in the conversation, but they are not controlling the shortlist. One pattern we repeatedly see at LLM Authority Index is that brands can look visible while still losing the buying moments that matter most. The public benchmark focuses on one high-intent cluster, best video hosting platforms. This is a consideration stage buying moment. The prompts include questions like the difference between YouTube and Vimeo, whether Vimeo is still free, and the best way to make training videos. Those are not casual awareness queries. They are decision stage prompts from people comparing options, evaluating use cases, and moving toward a choice. Across 306 eligible observations, this cluster represents a modeled monthly opportunity value of $751,043. Vimeo leads the cluster with 200 valid recommendations. Wistia follows with 116. Brightcove is next, and the rest of the market trails below 20% recommendation coverage. This is recommendation compression in practice. AI systems take a broad category and reduce it to a small set of trusted options. The benchmark points to citation architecture as one of the main reasons recommendation power is concentrating. AI systems rely on public evidence. They use official documentation, comparison content, review sites, community discussions, and other retrievable sources to justify their answers. Vimeo appears to have the most complete AI recommendation architecture in the category. Wistia shows that a more focused public evidence layer can still compete effectively. The warning sign is JW Player. Despite recognition in the broader video technology market, it appears in only 3.9% of AI responses and earns valid recommendation credit in just 2.9% of observations. Its modeled monthly AI authority value is $351. For a known brand, that kind of absence creates a real AI discovery risk. The leadership takeaway is simple. Video hosting platforms are now competing inside AI-generated shortlists, and the shortlist is smaller than the market. A brand can have awareness, content, and category history, yet still fail to earn recommendation position when buyers ask AI systems for help deciding. For marketing and growth teams, the priority is to monitor high-intent prompts, understand recommendation rank, strengthen the public evidence layer, and fix the citation gaps that prevent AI systems from trusting and selecting the brand. If you want to understand how AI is actually positioning your company in buyer conversations, that's exactly what we analyze at LLM Authority Index.